this is kind of late, but I wanted to do a monthly video thing. So here we're doing our monthly favorites, and right now, although it's the half of February already, we're doing our January monthly favorites. For January, we have 10 items, and I don't know if I'm gonna fill up the 10 items every month, but for January, we have filled up the 10 items. And right now, the first items are here in front of me. They are mostly skincare products because I've really been struggling for the months of November, December, January. I had the worst breakouts before. I don't really get any pimples sa cheeks ko. And right now, I have mark here and mark here. Ano na, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Nakakababa talaga ng confidence and there. So, I'm really thankful na I found this sets of products that I'm using right now, and they're actually working little by little. So I don't know if I'm gonna stick to these products for the next month, but for now, it's really working for my skin. So I'm really happy with it. So for the first one in our list, it's the Beautyderm products. This is only the trial set of Beautyderm because honestly guys, I've been using these products before, but I stopped using them not because they're not working, but when I went to Korea and Japan consecutively and it was cold there, it stopped working for me. So I said bye-bye to it, and little did I know that I really need to go back to it when I go back to the Philippines. So I went back to Beautyderm products. But the thing is, I don't use it every day because I noticed that when I use it every day, my face gets really dry. So I looked for another set of products that I would use alternatively with this one. So this is the green tea line of Innisfree. Actually, this is just a suggestion from my friend. I don't really know what the effect of green tea in the skin. It's my bad, but my friend recommended it, and I wasn't hesitant to try the products and try Innisfree because it has been my go-to brand whenever I'm in Korea. Whenever I'm looking for face mask, I'm just going to Innisfree, Tony Moly, and Nature Republic sa Korea. So this is the second one in our list. They are the green tea seed line of Innisfree. So the third thing in our list is sunblock. Sunblock is really important. Dati kala ko dahil mabilis na ako umitim, kaya kailangan ko mag-sunblock. Pero it's really something that we have to practice para din sa skin natin, sa face natin, for our future, para youthful glow pa rin tayo. Honestly, ginagamit kong product before is this one. The Holika Sunblock 50 SPF. Kaso wala to sa Philippines, kaya tinitipid ko siya. Tapos, medyo umitim siguro ako ngayon, pero kasi pag nilagay ko siya sa face ko ngayon, super puti niya sa akin. So, naghanap ako ng ibang products. Thankfully, may Caris. So, Caris ships right in front of your doorstep. So, yon, they ship different Korean products. So, right now, I found this sunblock from them. This is the Akohe 50 Plus SPF Protective Sun Cream. So, I really like this kasi parang meron kang glow pag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo. Lalagay natin dito, ha. There. Tama. Pag spread natin, ayan, no. Parang, di siya ganun kaputi, pero parang nagpulbo ka na din. So, gusto ko kasi mga ganung sunblock. Dati ganun siya sa akin, itong Holika. Pero masyado siya maputi sa akin ngayon. So, ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon, Akohe. Honestly, guys, nung una ko itong nakuha, parang ayoko siyang gamitin kasi ang bango. Super bango niya. Amoy siyang puno. Alam niyo, di ba, yung mga sa scent, sa mga humidifier, may mga puno na line. So, ganun. Parang siyang ganun. Ang sarap ng amoy. And super hesitant kong gamitin siya. Kasi nung bata ako, whenever I use lotion na may amoy, hindi ako nagko-cologne kasi I get parang bulutong na pultik sa balat. So, I don't really use scented products. But this one really worked. At first, I really tried it sa hand ko lang. Pero nung wala naman siyang reaction, I started using this one. So, right now, it's really working with the skincare products that I'm using, the Innisfree and the Beautyderm line. So, ito ang dinadala ko sa bag ko. It's actually my second one. Yung other one, nilalagay ko sa bag ko. Yung isa, dito sa bahay. If you wanna buy this, I'm actually a Caris celeb. Look for my account sa Caris. Tapos, bilhin nyo to. Super nice. Super galing. Next products natin are essential oils. Actually, nung pinadala to sa akin, wala pang ganito sa Philippines. Pero kasi ito, now, nasa Philippines na sila, I have the lemon and the lavender. When we talk about oils, usually inisip mo yung lalagay sa diffuser, ganon. And ganon din yung inisip ko nung nakuha ko tong products na to. Pero kasi, meron silang pinadalang ganito, usage guide. Tapos nakalagay, lavender lalagay sa diffuser, which is what I really do. Kasi I love smells ng flower, trees, ganon. So, ginagamit ko talaga tong lavender. I think paubos na siya. And, etong lemon, nung una nilalagay ko din siya sa diffuser ko. Lalo na pag may sipon ka, maganda yung citrus scents. Pero nakalagay dito, lemon vitality, add 1 drop to your water every day. I tried it and wala kang malalasahan if you're the kind na ayaw nyo yung may lasa yung tubig nyo. Wala naman siyang ganun effect, pero kasi yun, it really helps you. I think, lalo na pag meron kang sipon, dun kayo maglagay ng ganun. So, Young Living is now available in the Philippines. So, if you look at their Instagram account, Young Living Philippines, makikita nyo may promos yata sila ngayon. I'm not really sure because I really didn't know that they were in the Philippines na. Nakita ko lang sa isang story nung isang araw. Pero, ito yung ginagamit ko. Kaya na-shock ako. Uy, may Young Living na pala dito sa Philippines. So, let's move on. This is a product that I got from Roni and Joe. It is a Karen Walker shades. So, ang ganda niya kasi minsan lang akong may square na shades. Tapos, brown pa. Ang ganda. Ang elegant niya. Ayan o. Ganda. So, I'm really into shades. Super dami ng shades dyan. And I'm so happy that I got this from Roni and Joe. And guys, yung Roni and Joe, if you go inside Roni and Joe, medyo nakaka-pressure kasi ang mahal guys. As in, parang dudugoy ilong mo pag nakita mo yung mga prices. Pero kasi, they always have sale and grabe, super laki ng sale pag nag-sale sila. As in, ang mahal ng mga products sa Roni and Joe, pero pag nag-sale sila, parang, uy, ang yaman ko, kaya ko to. Yun, so, let's move on. The next one in our list is, I got 2 shirts from Material Girl. I really didn't notice that they're both blue, but it's really nice. Although, sabihin nyo na shirt lang siya, ang ganda ng tela, guys. As in, pag sinusuot ko to dito sa Pilipinas, parang, uy, ang presko, gano'n. Kasi yung mga ibang shirts na nakuha ko sa Korea, pang Korea weather lang. So, ito, I really loved it kasi pwede siyang pang Philippine weather and love it. Pero parang ang sarap matulog pag ito yung suot mo. So, the next one is the bag that I got from Taiwan. It's the Robin May bag. So, Robin May is a local brand in Taiwan. If you're going to, syempre pag nag-Taiwan ka, nag-Taipei ka, pupunta ka sa Ximending, di ba? Meron silang 2 branches or 3 branches doon. So, pwede kayong pumunta doon and check out their bags. Meron silang mga bags na ginagaya nila yung design ng mga designer bags and may mga bags na unique and I really love this. Nung nakita ko siya, kasi wala akong white bag na off-white. So, I got this bag. Although, mukha siyang small. Tingnan nyo. Mukha siyang small. Pero kasi ang dami mong malalagay. Nalalagay ko pa dito yung Canon G7X ko. Tapos may Osmo Pocket pa. Tapos may wallet pa ako. Dami ko nalalagay dito. Tapos meron siyang small pocket. Minsan dito ka nilalagay na lang yung pera ko tsaka card ko. I've been using this, overusing this for the past month, for the month of January. So, eto, it's one of my favorites. And it's really still my favorite. I'm gonna use it right now. So, bagay naman siya sa outfit ko. So, the next one is something that I got from Taiwan pa rin. It's from a Taiwanese brand again, local brand. It's Grace Gift Taiwan. So, I got this chunky shoes from them. Actually, ang dami nila magandang shoes, pero more into boots right now because it's winter over there. So, I got the chunky shoes. This is from their line Villains. Since makikita nyo, this is Ursula, the eyes of Ursula. And it's so nice. Super comfy niya, guys. Yun talaga yung plus factor sa akin and nagsabi na, uy, kunin mo na yan. Kasi, guys, ang comfy niya, super lala nung nasa Taiwan ako. Kasi hindi siya blisters eh. Parang pimple talaga eh. Kasi meron akong blisters sa paa. Tapos, parang hinayaan ko lang siya. So, nagnana siya. Oh my gosh. Kadiri. Pero yon nagnana siya. And hindi ko alam anong susuot na shoes. Nag-boots ako. Nag-comfy shoes ako. Wala talaga akong magawa. And, nung nahanap ko to, ito na yung sinuot ko all throughout my Taiwan stay kasi comfy, super comfy. So guys, if you're going to Taiwan, look for Grace Gift and ang dami nilang shoes na maganda and affordable, guys. So it's really nice to explore the local brands whenever you're in another country. And in Taiwan, super daming local brands. But not like sa Korea, super dami talaga sa Korea. Pero yung Taiwan, madami din naman. If you go to the malls and you see a brand na hindi kayo masyadong familiar, look onto it and makikita nyo, it's a Taiwanese brand. And ang ganda. Maganda ang fashion ng Taiwan. Baka madami pa akong masabi. Tumagal na naman tayo. The next one is a shoe that I got here in the Philippines. It's from Melissa. and collaboration with opening ceremony. I think nung December or November pa yata tong collaboration na to. Pero I really love opening ceremony. Super support opening ceremony. And I'm so happy that they got this shoes in my favorite color. Makikita niyo naman ang room ko. Ayan. So, ito. Opening ceremony and Melissa collab. So, super nice. Although may mga tao na takot magsuot ng ganitong color, it's really not nakakaitim. Noong una din ako, guys, sinabi ko na parang, hindi naman ako maputi. Pag sinuot ko yan, iitim ako. Pero, nung sinuot ko na siya, sinukat ko siya, nakakaputi pala siya. So, yun. I'm really happy. Look. It suits my room. So, guys, the last thing in our list is something that's not here right now, but I've been overusing it whenever I'm in Pampanga because whenever I'm here in Manila, it's my duty day, so I don't really dress up a lot. When I'm in Pampanga, that's the time I dress up. So, the last thing in our list is there. It's actually this Soy Coke mandals. I got mandals from Soy Coke. I actually got this through this chick. I'm sorry I can't show you the product, but it's gonna be here. And there, if you can see it, it's actually a mandals. It's dark blue because I really wanted to have something that's easy to pair with because when you're gonna wear a mandals, parang it's a mad days. Pero it turns out that when I use my mandals now, it's not really for the mad days lang or for days na parang I just wanna wear anything and then a comfy shoes. It's not like that. I've been pairing it with girly outfits, manly outfits. I'm actually planning to do a styling video on the mandals that I have. It's really so nice that now girls are wearing mandals because dati parang pag nagsandugo ka tapos babae ka parang awkward. Sandugo talaga ang ginawa kasi diba sandugo yung mandals dati. So, yun, now it's really a fashion statement. Actually, it's last season pa siya naging fashion statement. Pero, it's really nice to have a mandals kasi comfy and yun, mabilis kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng socks, hindi mo na kailangan gano'n. And that's it. And that's it, guys. My camera actually died because I've been talking so much and I don't really want to make this any longer. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next monthly favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! See you in my next video!